Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's go to left side and tap to settings, so we can open them. Here we have to slide a little bit to general settings category, and now at the third place we have shutter sound. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off, and let's go back to camera. When I take another picture, we can't hear anything now. And of course we can turn it on by going again to right corner options, left settings, sliding down to general category and tapping to shutter sound. So for now, we can hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.